This is an interesting application problem. It says two LORAN radio stations, A and B, are located 130 kilometers apart and send a simultaneous radio signal to a ship. The signal from B arrives 0.0002 seconds before the signal from A. If the signal travels 300,000 kilometers per second, that's the speed of light, find the equation of the hyperbola on which the ship is positioned. Use a coordinate system where the origin is the midpoint between the stations. So this is how I'm going about it. I have a coordinate system. And we're told that these are 130 kilometers apart. So 130 divided by 2 is 65. So that means we have some B over here. I hate that they used A and B, by the way, because we use those as part of the formula for our hyperbola. So this whole thing is 130, so that means this is 65 here, and this is 65 here. And that these are the foci. And so that means that C is 65. So recall with our hyperbola, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So we know a squared plus b squared is 65 squared, or a squared plus b squared equals 4225. We also know, because this is centered at the origin, our formula is going to be something like, and it opens sideways because it opens like, like this. It's going to be x squared over a squared minus y squared over b squared equals 1. Now this next part, we know the time it takes and the rate it takes, so we can use distance equals rate times time, or distance is rate is 300,000 times 0.0002 to get this the greater distance. So that means it's 60 kilometers more. So meaning that if the boat's here, that this distance here, we call that x. This distance here is x plus 60. Now, how do we use that? Well, d1 minus d2 is supposed to be 2a. This is from the book. And d being the bigger of the two. So if we took x plus 60 and subtract x, let me give myself more workspace here, that's going to be 2a. So that means 60 equals 2a, or a equals, and this is a for this a right here. I did lowercase, but whatever. A equals 30. So a squared is going to be 900. So right now we know it's going to be x squared over 900 minus y squared over something equals 1. But now we can pull back in this formula. So we have 900 plus b squared equals 4225, excuse me. Subtract the 900 from both sides. B squared equals 3325. All we really need is the b squared. So 3325. And this is the formula we're looking for. Okay, hope that helps. Thanks.